Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. نن به مونږه laws of motion چې دي د هغې MCQs د هغه مونږ ګورو چې په دې کې زموږ سره څه شوی ښه which of the following is a scalar quantity دا زموږ سره دی mass دی یو time دی volume دی یو all of the above دی نو دا درې واړه چې دي دا زموږ سره scalar quantity صحیح ده which of the following is a vector quantity velocity acceleration force دا درې واړه زموږ سره vector quantity دي The initial velocity of a body moving with uniform acceleration of 5 feet per second square is 10 feet per second. What will be the distance involved transverse in 10 seconds? So, this is second equation of motion use co S is equal to VIT plus half AT square. So, this is the malumare shu chimunka da value manga footku like the acceleration there the 5 feet per second square velocity the 10 feet per second. په دې کې مونږ ډسټنس چې کوم دی معلومه په اس باندې نو اس زموږ سره دی وي آی ټي پلس هاف ایټي سکویر دا ویلو چې مونږ فوټ کو دی مونږ راکوي 350 فیټ the first law of motion supply the definition first law of motion چې کوم دی نو دی مونږ سره کوي دی مونږ ګورو چې دی مونږ څه ډیفینیشن نه کوي مونږ the fourth definition نه کوي صحیح ده first law of motion چې Balne a man is at rest in the middle of the pond on perfectly frictionless ice. So today of frictionless ice band de are the middle ki naste yo kisme forest halat ki no he can get himself to the shower by taking the help of Newton. The Newton the kumila mutabik de chikam de zan da ta buji the Newton third law chikam de the مدد سره چې د third law په مدد سره ځان د middle ته وایي شي frictionless icy نو دا هغه د چې باندې کې څه action او reaction force دی صحیح ده د reaction کو آی چې دا په opposite direction کې reaction کوي بل زموږ سره د action and reaction force is referred in Newton third law اوس په Newton third law کې د action او reaction خبره کیږي action او reaction forces دي نو هغه کې څه هغه د موږ زیات تر څه must act upon different bodies لکه یو object په یو body force کې بل باندې یو په action بل په reaction صحیح ده نو دا د نیوټن third law چې کوم دی نیچر کې لکه اوس پرس کا تبال غوړ کړی دی یا ته په ځمکه روانه یا ته موشن کې صحیح ده او ته چې کوم دی ستر کې ته په دې دا بال لګي په دیوال باندې فورس لګي نو دیوال بلګي او دا په opposite direction کې په بال باندې فورس لګي No, that's usual different bodies. Well, a force of 100 times act on a body of 5 grams for 10 seconds find the change in momentum. No, the value change of momentum delta P. The delta the equation put in 1000 CGS units. We can clean a dirty carpet by beating it is according to उसका कारपेट से इसको कारपेट का शेयर है और हवा चल सपा कोई दा वसन सपा की दा न्यूटन फर्स्ट लॉ मुताबिक दा सपा की a force of 100 times on x on a body 100 times चिकन दे force लगी पर body बांध दिया है मासूम दे 5 grams मासूम टाइम दा पारा 10 second दा पारा नो दी velocity बसी the velocity what is the velocity produced some velocity पैदा की دا وشي زموږ سره 200 feet per second swimming is possible because of which law of motion the کوم law of motion دا موږ لامبا وهلې شو نو لامبا چې دا third law of motion سره مطابق لامبا وهلې کیږي the force of x of 50 dyne x on a mass of 50 grams per 5 seconds what is the acceleration produced نو په دې کې زموږ سره دا کوم ویل چې درکې په دې کې بدا نه پیدا کیږي نو په خپل فارمولا پټ کړئ the direction of the velocity of a body cannot change when the acceleration is constant. Was the statement false? The direction of velocity of a body cannot change. The velocity direction cannot change. The acceleration constant. No velocity acceleration constant. No the velocity change. No the direction change. The false. What acceleration will a force of 5 Newton impart to a mass of 5 kg? 5 Newton force of 5 किलोग्राम मास बनने की नदी की बसुम एक्सलेशन पैदा की नदी की बदमों से एक्सलेशन पैदा की कि वह जमों सरा एक्सलेशन की देंदे बदमों से 1 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर एक्सलेशन बदी की प्रोड्यूस की दे जमों सर राजी A player catch a cricket ball जो player दे और cricket ball से यहाँ catch कई मास समझ 150 ग्राम moving at a rate of 20 meters per second velocity जुमला दा 20 दा if the catching process be complete in 0.1 seconds but 0.1 second की दा the catch आखिर the force of the blow exerted by the ball on the hand न पदे last बन बदा ball small force लगे दा बदा मुझे लगे 30 newton when a body is accelerated its velocity always changes हाँ कल चे acceleration मतलब है कि कल बदी की acceleration पैदा शुन the acceleration सला velocity के automatically change रहा जब increase की या decrease की a force of 100 times x for 10 seconds on a body of mass of 500 gram what is the change in momentum no ताले force तर करे ताले mass तर करे था तो which momentum वो और change in momentum सुन रहे हैं मुझे तो पता है कि force सब delta p divided by delta t पर एक मुंडा पुट के दाम मुंगा value रहा कि 5000 cgs units a rope attached to a post and the ground is put horizontally with a force of your asida आगे मन मुंगा force लगो आगे मुंगा force लगो आगे mass सुमर दे mass दे मुंगा तर आगे तो इसको मटाई छे दे आगे 80 kilogram the full base with a force of तो सुमर force का मुद्दा वापस आ जाए जब full की पर 80 kilogram the full with a force of 80 newton हाँ if a car is the दिन गलत चीज़ बदल के so the force with full base with a force that's like 80 newton there if a car is to gain momentum it must accelerate तो दे momentum gain कई जो मोटर दे और अगर आवाज़ दे gain momentum gain कई me mass of velocity no नदी बखा मखा से acceleration लगेगी accelerated by velocity will change from around which of the following is accelerated a car in which the engine thrust is equal to the friction shikara the car engine चीज़े अगर thrust force चीज़े अगर friction बराबर शी बावों बा जमा सर लगा नहीं acceleration जमा सर नहीं the algebraic sign of acceleration depends the choice of direction हाँ algebraic sign of acceleration चीज़ हम दें जब उसे depend की देगा choice of direction मान लो a car accelerates for 10 seconds at 6 meters per second square. What is the final speed of its initial was 4 meters per second. The volume of 64 meters per second. Which of the following are vector quantities? The acceleration force is the vector quantity. We know that the force are vectors because they obey the same mathematical rules that displays obey. An 80 kilograms fireman slides down in the fire station, has grip on the full gas, a fractional force of 240 newton opposing his fall. What is the approximate value of his acceleration towards the floor below? Now that was 7 meters per second square. The minimum number of unequal forces whose vector sum can equal to 0 is 3. Minimum number of unequal forces. The vector sum is बराबर है vector sum of 3 बराबर है. A force of 6 Newton acts on a body of mass 1 kilogram for some time, during which of the body attains the velocity of 30 meters per second. The time for which the force acts on the body is 5. Force of 3, 4 and 12 Newton acts at a point in mutual perpendicular direction. The three forces the perpendicular direction की fiber one force लगाने दे magnitude बस सुमरे दे magnitude बस सुमरे 11. intermediate from the information given. Which of the following is not a necessary for work? The demonstrate a constant speed. A body at rest have energy. A weight of 10 kilogram block is 98 Newton. This is W. So बराबर है W the mg बराबर है. F x pull is implied to change the direction of x pull इधर गई. देवो the force direction से change करेगा. Static friction the most associated is static friction is sometimes greater and sometimes less than dynamic force. Which is the suitable method to decrease friction? Now polishing ball and rolling bearing lubrication पतियों मंगा दर कमाओ. The force of friction that comes into action after the motion has started is known as limiting friction. Okay. Latex cylinder flies solid square and a ring. Cylinder there, solid square there, ring there. Roll down, land Z and crank plane land. Which will reach first? Solid square will move. The maximum value of friction. Static friction. With the limiting friction equals static friction value सेवाई. A body in equilibrium may not have acceleration. So अभी from equilibrium की ना जब acceleration नहीं. A body is said to be perfectly elastic if it recovers its original shape when the deforming force is removed. Let us suppose that a block resting in inclined plane just begins. The solid slides down the plane when the angle of inclination is gradually increased. The occupation of friction will be equal to tangent 30. Assuming the pulley to be frictionless and massless, the smallest coefficient of static friction is 0.33 to curve the cylinder toward F. For a cylinder, mass is 70 kg and radius of gyration is 40 mm. The cylinder will roll down the plane and mass will ascend. The cylinder will move up and down. If if somebody undergo collision, which is not perfect elastic, collision की ना कम shape of perfect elastic. Kinetic energy is conserved, but momentum is not. A solid sphere of mass 0.1 kg and radius without sliding with a uniform velocity of 10 meter per second along a straight line on a horizontal table. The energy will be 6 multiplied 10 power 3 x.